So I'm crashing here tonight. Hello everyone, it's Maureen. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing, checking, and testing the cases from Felony. We haven't seen much about this company. They don't have really much information on their website. I've checked their shipping and returns, and it says right there all orders are shipped from Toronto, Canada. Before I start unboxing these cases, guys, I just want to ask how you doing, and I hope you guys are okay and staying healthy, washing your hands regularly. We don't know where this package come from. It came from Canada, but we just want to make sure that we're not touching anything, any virus connected to the coronavirus. Just to be safe, after unboxing this, we are going to wash our hands just to be safe than sorry. So we are now gonna go straight to the unboxing. Here we go, guys. Oh. Huh. I thought I'm unboxing a different item. It is the cases. Wow, guys, look at this. I'm still shocked. Holy cow, I'm still surprised. Wait, I should wash my hands first. We're done washing our hands. Still kind of wet here. Air dry. So let's continue this. So yeah, I'm still amazed how they package their cases like this. I've never seen this before. I'm amazingly surprised. You can't even like close it like that, but it's fine. I still love the idea. It's really amazing. So I'm excited. So we have 7 cases right here that we're gonna unbox, and we're gonna start with this. So here we go. Oh my gosh. So this is how they package it right here, with this little cute holder. You can close it like that, but of course you can't because the case is inside, but still it's amazing. I love it. It's really soft, so it's like that. Super cute. And then we're gonna open it and see what case we have here. This is the case right here. This feels really sturdy. Super sturdy. I love it. It has cover right above here, and then the sides too. So they call this the classic tortoise phone case for iPhone 11 Pro Max, and I love it. I'm so obsessed. It makes me think about a tortoise pop socket. I already found one right here, and it's from Urban Outfitters, and it's super cute. They're on sale right now for $9.99. But yeah, it would fit perfectly in there. And oh my god, if you want to have like a tortoise day, I'm probably gonna get that tortoise from Urban Outfitters, or I might find a cheaper one. And you will see that they have this Felony Case name right there, and that's just it. There's nothing unusual. We are gonna test this on our phone. Oh man, I am loving it. It makes the iPhone color really yellow because we have a gold iPhone right here. As you can see, that's the upper part, and then the sides, it's easy with a silent and unsilent mode right there. Volume up and the volume down, and then going around, it covers the bottom of the phone, so that's cool. And the rest, and right here. So we're gonna test this if it's soft, the size of this, so we can play a little bit of a song right here. Oh, soft. Going down, soft too. Really soft. And let's do some screenshot here. Cool. It feels like really grippy, and it's not really that slippery. There's a rubber right here on the side so you can hold it well there. It looks so classy. Yeah, there's a raised area right here, just a little bit, so I don't actually see the screen whenever I'm looking at it like this. So let's jump to the next case. Woo! Look at this, guys. Holy cow. Oh, so it has two things in here. This is the bumper and this is the back cover. So this is the first part of the case. This is the bumper. And then this is the back. It has design right there. You can feel the bumps in here. So they call this the rose gold kaleidoscope iPhone case from Felony. Here there's curves and straight lines there. Like this one straight, and then there's a little bit of like a flower geometric design. So let's put the bumper first before the back. And let's put the back case. Looks nice. It's kind of weird. It has a raised lip in the screen right here so that your screen will not get scratched. The camera, let's see. See, it's kind of high. So that's cool. Maybe because of these bumps right here. They're not spiky at all. It's just bumps. But it's grippy enough. Felony in a triangle then case. So that's the sides. And then the top of the case. And then the side again and the bottom. So it's a rubber feel on the bottom. So just in case you drop it, I guess you'll be safe from the shock. So we're gonna try the buttons now. I'm not sure about the button right here. It's kind of hard to press. So it's easy access on the silent and then silent mode. And let's try the volume up and down here.
Yeah, I know I'm not fake, but it kind of feels that way.
It's not that soft. It's just enough that you could press it. So not bad. You can even massage your palm right here. This will protect your phone from scratches, from falling on the floor. So I'm not really a fan of the spikes at the back because it makes me feel weird, but for people who likes to touch or like have something to feel at the back of their case, you would like this, especially with a bumper. The bottom right here, it has cover. So I also want to show you guys if it's easy to take it off with these nails.
So let's try it.
You can. It's easy. So there you go. I took it off from my phone, easy with these nails. So our next case is going to be, oh, I love this. I love it so much because you can see the color right there. So what we have here is a holographic grid iPhone case for iPhone 11 Pro Max, and you can see that it is holographic, different colors. I can see like pink, lavender, green. I don't know what else you can see in there, but it's so pretty. It's fun. And Felony triangle case right there. I love it. And let us try it on our phone right here. There you go. See close up, that's the top of the phone. The sides, it's like a transparent case, but it has really fun colors showing up, holographic as they say, at the back of the case. And I love also that they have a cover in the bottom. Different colors right there, guys. This is my second favorite. Turn off screen. It's soft enough. Volume up, volume down. It covers your front screen right there. And then the camera has high lip too. So I love this case. It's super simple. It is transparent, but it has a little bit of fun in there. I just got done from my lunch and then we are back now. So the next case is going to be... Oh! This is kinda crooked. So this case is called the Opal iPhone case for iPhone 11 Pro Max. Look at that, it's kinda crooked. They said it's a perfect balance between the opalescent and the iridescent. So let's try this case. It covers every side of the phone, so I like that. This is a TPU material. The whole phone is protected. Shock absorbent when you drop it. It's a raised bumper for screen protection and the camera. Easy access to all buttons. Depending on the lighting, you will see different colors. In here, I can see actually different colors like blue, green, and red. But I don't know if you guys can see that right here on this lighting. So the next case would be this case. Speechless! This is kind of pretty. So this is called the Clear Cosmic Holographic Kaleidoscope iPhone case for iPhone 11 Pro Max. So pretty, especially with this lighting right here. But I think this is the same as the rose gold that I just showed you. This is so pretty and eye-catching. So it looks like pinkish right there when you do that. Again, the sides is kind of hard to press, so you're really gonna have to give force to it so that it will turn off the screen. And then the upper and lower left is not as bad as the one on the left side right here. So that's the top, the side, Felony Case, and it is kind of like pearly white sides. And it looks so good with my gold iPhone. Pink. We only have 2 cases left. The next case is this. Oh. It makes me think about unicorns. So this is the Aura holographic iPhone case, and as you can see, it has different colors. So it depends upon the lighting that you have. So it will give you a ton of color if you have good lighting like mine. So look at that. Oh my gosh. And I think that looks like my ring right there. Aura holographic is designed to be the perfect balance between subtle and loud. Depending on the lighting, this case transitions from having a cute iridescent shine to bold holographic rainbows. And we're gonna try it on our phone. Oh, that's the volume down and volume up. Turn off the screen and silent mode, so it's easy. Front. It's not that high lip on the screen. Love this case. So the last case but not the least is this case. So this is the Cosmic Holographic Kaleidoscope iPhone 11 Pro Max case. I love the clear better than the colored ones, rose gold and this one. It's pretty, it's gorgeous. So let's try it on our phone. So it's kind of a lavenderish blue. And again, it will definitely protect your camera at the back. It has really high lip in there. Front is high enough. So the sides looks like black and it covers the sides of the iPhone. Volume up, volume down, turn off the screen. You can use your thumb right here, the center of your thumb, to press it hard so that you can turn it up and turn it down and turn off the screen. I think it's okay, but it's not as soft as the other cases out there. I remember Chroma has really soft buttons on the sides. So my thoughts about these cases. I feel like these cases are overpriced, especially with this kind of material. You can actually find the same material as this one's on Amazon, which is more affordable. And with this 3 right here, I actually love the clear cosmic rather than rose gold. I used to love rose gold, but with this kind of like material and the color, it just makes me not like it. I can say that this is worth 40 bucks, but this is not. They should like make the sides more softer. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. Stay healthy, wash your hands properly before you eat, or don't touch your eyes, nose, or your mouth with dirty hands. Wash your hands all the time, especially with long nails. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!